After finally leaving Puerto Rio Tranquilo, we headed to Puerto Guadal, a small town on the lake, where the next days turned out very different than expected. Last time, we had just left Tranquilo, trying our luck hitchhiking south. After a bit of waiting, we finally got a ride to the crossing in front of Puerto Guadal. We arrived just in time for the town fiesta.
A veces me he cantado, no te perdonaré si me dejas solo con los sentimientos, porque yo no puedo respirar.
The next day was much quieter, just relaxing by the lake.
I followed you into the park, through the jungle, through the dark. Girl, I never loved one like you.
Boats and waterfalls, alleyways and payphone calls. I've been everywhere with you.
That's true. Laughing till we think we're down, barefoot on the summer night. Never could be sweeter than with you.
And in the streets you run free like it's only you and me. If you're something to see, oh, let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Oh, let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Casi de la orilla.
The day after, we went to a nearby waterfall, another incredible place. We're going to a waterfall in that direction. And we're maybe gonna hitchhike or we're gonna walk
My
down.
brother, where do
We will see.
you intend to go tonight? I heard that you missed your connecting flight to the Blue Ridge Mountains over near Tennessee. You're ever welcome with me anytime you like. Let's drive to the countryside, leave behind some green-eyed lookalikes, so no one gets worried, no. So no one gets worried, no. But Sean, don't get careless, I'm sure it'll be fine. I love you, I love you.
that we'll make it in the final video. We have up to 8 in the morning. I'm going back to Rio Tranquilo to pick up my backpack replacement and hitchhiking. So hopefully I get that quick before the office closes for the noon break.
Y había un arco iris.
Maravilloso.
Sí, sí, sí.
Oye, ¿es tu primera vez en Chile?
No, pero porque en Italia no son tan amables.
¿En serio?
No. Bueno, si conoces a
My
alguien,
backpack finally
sí,
arrived
pero
and it
no
was
es-
time to pick it up. I'm back in Rio Tranquilo again. Post office is that way. Hopefully my package is really here. Otherwise it will be a bit troublesome. New pack. Now auto stop Puerto Guadal, 1 hour plus waiting time. After I returned to Guadal again with some trouble.
Can I be close to you? Can I be close to you? Can I be close to you?
¿Barato? Vale, 10.
Can I be close to you?
First ride after almost 2 hours. We were picked up by the, I don't know if you can see it, by these guys who make the roads here, which is quite funny. And nice people. So now we are, I don't know, 20 kilometers away from Puerto Guadal, and we're gonna start walking, and maybe there's another car somewhere that will take us the rest of the way. I returned to Puerto Guadal with 1 car and 1 bus. We're back in Puerto Guadal. Bus costed 3,000 Chilean pesos. The last.
Don't you cherish me to see? Never keep
Now everything was finally ready. Next stop would be Chile Chico, and from there the long road to Cochrane. But that's for another video. So see you in the next one and stay tuned.
neck onto his shoulder blades. Always keep that message tight. Cross your breast, you wanna rain.
stood by your other one, face away from the sun. Just have to keep